In this lesson, we are going to learn how to get midpoints of a vector, the midpoint. The midpoint divides the vector into two parts. Midpoint divides a vector into two equal parts. So let's consider this. We have a Cartesian plane here, right? So we have that different color here. Let's draw the Cartesian plane here, and this is the x-axis. So that's so we say this is our y, and this is our x. Consider a vector. Which is let's use that from here like that. This vector, the direction is that, and we say this vector is A. We say this is A, and it is -1. The coordinates of A. Let's write it properly. A -1 and 6. So those are the coordinates, and B we have 5, 2. So we can draw the position vectors. We have that will give us position vector OA. This will give us position vector OB, and we assume that this is the midpoint. So we draw another vector there, OM, which we can draw it as a dotted line like that. Of course, this is the origin. That's the origin. Now, if you are given that, we say using vector method. Using vector method. Since we are saying that M is a midpoint of that, the vector OM is equals to, this is our vector OM. We say it is equals to, you follow this route, OA plus AM. So we say it is OA plus a half AB. So we already have AB, we have OA, so we need to find AB. I'll do it separately here. So AB is equals to, we say it is 5 minus 1 and 2 minus 6. So that to give us our AB, which is equals to, we say our AB is a half 5. So that will give us 6. That will give us 6 and minus 4. So that is our AB. We come and replace our AB with OM. So this will be OA. We use the coordinates -1, 6. That is OA plus a half 6 minus 4. So this will give you what? This is 1 minus 1, 6, and this plus 3 minus 2. So that will end up with is equals to -1 plus 3. That will give you 2 and 4. So that is a position vector. That is OM, position vector OM, implying that since we have OM, the coordinates of M are 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So that's how using the vector method. Now, using the same example, let's say we have now, let's get a general formula. So consider this. We have a vector. We have here vector. Here we put it. We have a vector. That is vector, and we say it is A, B. The coordinates of A are x1, y1, and here we have x2, y2. Those are the coordinates. We say, okay, we can get the components of A. We say it is we say that is the origin. So that is O. So that is vector OA, and that is vector OB. Assume that this is a midpoint, so we can draw a line there, which is represent the midpoint. Can use a dotted line like that. So draw that diagram. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So we can say now here we want to derive a general format. So OM is equals to OA, just like we have done with the other one. OA plus AM, where we have OA is A as indicated here, and this is B, plus AM is a half AB, but AB is equals to B minus A. So we can replace this. So we say this is equals to A plus a half A, not A but B minus A. So when you open the bracket, you get A plus a half B minus a half A. A half A, A minus a half A, that will give you a half A plus a half B, which we can factor out a half, and we are left with A plus B. Now, once you have that, we have or you can still write it A plus B divided by 2. So once we have that, we already have A is equals to X, that is X1, Y1. And we have B, using the coordinates, we have X2, Y2. Therefore, we can come here and say, then it means M is equals to X plus, that is we say that, just a minute, we say A, now we bring this this here, we say A plus B, which is the midpoint we have worked out, divided by 2 is equals to a half, and we say it is X plus X1 plus X2 and Y1 plus Y2. So this means that you have this is equals to, when you open the bracket, then you have, since that is our M, we say our M, then it is X plus XY plus X1 plus X2 divided by 2, and Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. What am I trying to say? That if you are given two coordinates of a point, then we use those coordinates to get the midpoint. For example, if we have A is 2, 7, and B is 4, 4, 9, then we can say if M is a midpoint, M is a midpoint, then we say M is 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and 7 plus 9 divided by 2, and that is give us 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and we have 7 plus 9 is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that is the midpoint. So this becomes an easier way of getting the midpoint of a point. You add the two corresponding values of x, you divide by 2 corresponding values of y, you divide by 2, and you get the midpoint. So I hope that is clear. Instead of following the vector method, then this one is easier for you to follow. From there, we look at an example. We say find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB in each case. In each of the following cases. So we have our A. We have A. The coordinates of A are minus 4, 3, 4, 3, and we have our B. This is our B is 2, 0. Then we have B. Our coordinates of we have A. We have 0, 4, and we have B 0, minus 2. So we want to find the midpoint of these 2 points, A and B. So we start with A. We have said that the midpoint M, we say it is minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2 and 3 plus 0 divided by 2, and that will give you what? Minus 4 plus 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 2, is 1. Then we have 3 plus 0 is 0, and divided by 3 plus 0 is 3, divided by 2, you get 1.5. So that is the midpoint of part A. Part B, then we say the midpoint, we will say it is 0 plus 0 divided by 2, and we have 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2. So this will be 0 divided by 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that is the midpoint. So you see how easy it is to get the midpoint. I hope that is clear. You can check on other questions from your textbooks, and you will be able to find the midpoint of a point of a vector. Now I give you a practice questions. You can try this, and we are told in the figure below, OAB is a triangle. A is the point that is 2, 8, and B is a point is a point 10, 2. Then you are told C, D, and E are midpoints of OA. We have midpoints of OA, OB, and AB respectively. Okay, so let's have the figure. So we draw the figure. Our figure is like this. We have that is our x. So we have this is our x, y, this is our x. Then we have our vector here. We have a vector there. Let's draw a straight line. We have our vector there. So this is A. This is a vector AB. So this is A. Coordinates of A are 2, 8. coordinates of B are 10, 2. Then we can draw the corresponding position vector of OA and OB. Then we can join the midpoint. So that is the midpoint, that is the midpoint, and this is the midpoint here. We label our diagram. So this is labeled A, B, C. We have D and E. So those are the points. I think that so we have part A. Find the coordinates of C and D. Find the coordinates of C, the coordinates of C and D. C and D. Part B, you are told find the length of the vectors. Find the length of the vectors CD and AB. So that's a practice question you can try. Okay, we have covered how to get the magnitude or the length. This is the same as the magnitude, modular size is the same. We have covered that. If you have not seen that, you check one of my videos. You can check the video, the series on vectors 1. You work it out. You can give your answers in the comment section. But let me give you the answers if you can confirm. So for part A, you'll be able to get the coordinates are 1, 4. And that is 1, 4. Then we have the coordinates of part B. Part B. These are the coordinates of those are the coordinates of C. Then we have D. The coordinates of D are 5, 1. Then we have part B. You have the magnitude of length of so we have I've worked out CD that I have gotten is equal to 1 unit. I think you can check AB we get that I think you work out B. I have not worked it out, so that is a question you can try. So if you get this, then you know that you have understood what we have covered now, and you can try other questions. To wind up, if you subscribe to my channel, that will make my channel grow. Like the video, share, and comment how you have found the video, if it is okay, if it is helpful to you. Hit the bell button. This is important because it will alert you whenever I post a new video. This icon that looks like this, that is the bell. So you click it, so like that, and that's how you get that. If you want to get, you can join my online math classes. This is classes. If you want to get to me, you can write an email, teacherwamta@gmail, one name, teacherwamta@gmail.com. My number, in case you need any help, can get me through this number, 0725 357594 or 0736 545363. So that's if you need anything. If you want me to do a topic that gives you problems, just let me know. And thank you for watching.